Yes, I'm finally getting on the trailer after all this time. Thanks.
Yeah, this is the My Jeep update, April Fool's Day. Nah, I missed it. Today's the 2nd. But anyway, I'm working on my trailer. Got my pressure washer in order, working great, and I've already started pressure washer this thing. It's knocking a lot of rust off, but I'm still gonna have to get under there and grind some. See, it knocked some of that off, but some of this is just embedded so bad. But I think I'll get as much of it off as I can, do a little grinding, and I'll treat it with a rust treatment that I have. I've used it before. I've had this trailer for quite a while, and I've done it a number of times. And but here in Florida, it stays so damn wet. You got the irrigation. And I tried keeping it covered up, but the high winds at times blow my damn tarp off. Anyway, I just want to let you know I am working on it. Pressure washer working good. There won't be no more, hopefully no more Subaru videos out for now.
Paul finally got the pressure washer working, and he's working on his trailer.
Keep it up.
I still got a few areas to get to, but the pressure washer ran out of gas, so I'll try to finish it tomorrow. Thank you.
And this is a My Jeep. This is the last update for the day, April 2nd. I believe it's Tuesday. And there's my pressure washer over there, and I'm hoping this is the last you'll hear of the Subaru. I used it for a couple hours, maybe 2.5 hours. It worked great. I'm happy with it. Let's hope it stays that way. Anyway, here I got some of the rust off of it. There's a lot yet to do. I'll probably have to use my grinder, but it's looking better. I'll get as much off as I can, and then I'll rust treat it, paint it. It'll be all right. You see how bad the lights are on this thing. I got a new light kit I will put in it, and the wires all messed up, and lights are in bad shape. Anyway, I got a light kit, and I'm considering putting electric brakes on this. Again, I'm not sure if they got in.
I appreciate all the subscribers and viewers that dropped in to watch my videos.
And that's it for today. I'm going to go ahead and get this video out, and I'll continue working on the trailer this week.
And I'm very happy with the results on working on this Subaru.